Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Hosur location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for Systems Executive position from TVS Motor for Hosur location, Tamil Nadu. Coming to roles and responsibilities, maintain uptime of SAP systems, VMware systems, SQL databases, ensuring proper backup is carried out as per standard operating procedure, escalation of abnormalities observed in system behavior, and coordinating with server or storage vendors for problem resolution. Keep abreast of evolving technology in servers and storage. So these are the roles and responsibilities you need to check with this. And coming to qualification details, BTech in IT or electronics or diploma in electronics, and the persons should have worked in system administration for a minimum period of 3 years, and preferable to have SAP basis certified. So these are the qualification details. You can go through it once, and interested candidates you can check in the official website link for more detailed information about this job position. Next, there is a job opening for heat treatment production in George. It is for future and careers from Hosur location, Tamil Nadu. So they are looking for BE candidates in metallurgy. So you should be having 3 to 5 years of experience for this position, and you should be having good knowledge in a sealed quench furnace and the CQ9 audit and IATF requirements. So these are the requirements, and you should be having knowledge in all these provided here, and they are hiring for experienced candidates from automobile ancillary company is preferred. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided email id, that is srividya at futuresandcareers.com. Next, there is a job opening for academic executive position from Institute of Health Management Research. It is for only male candidates. So located in Electronic City, Bangalore, Karnataka. So they are going to offer a salary range between 20,000 to 25,000 rupees per month. Coming to job description provided here, coordinating classes activities, follow up with faculties, and maintain attendance records for all students, files, and overall documentation work of academic department. So monitoring the classes activities, submission of feedback form, faculty requirements, etc., convocation, transcript, examination result, all documentation part, etc. So end to end examination work, records of question papers, preparing mark sheets, and provide all the data for result verification. Taking care of administrative requirements of academic department, issue all kind of bona fide letters, bank loan letters to students. Coordinate in admission related activities as and when need required. So this is about the job description, and where will you see job roles and responsibilities are also provided here. So interested candidates, for more detailed information about this job position, you can check in the official website link provided here, and you can also send your resume to the provided email id, that is hr@iihmrbangalore.edu.in. Next, there is a job vacancy for executive position in training and development. So it is also for male candidates. So it is from Institute of Health Management Research, Electronic City, Bangalore, Karnataka. So they are going to offer a salary range between 20,000 to 25,000 rupees per month. So coming to job roles and responsibilities, conduct research and analysis to identify the gaps in the industry with respect to training and scope for consulting in hospitals, and regular support in executing the consulting assignments, liaising with internal faculty at all levels to identify and assess training and development needs, consistent follow up on the schedule mentioned in the training calendar, and ensure timely adherence to it. develop ad hoc presentations as required by the training department and management, coordinate pre on post learning journeys to determine training effectiveness, assist in develop training or course module content, and conduct training as required. So these are the roles and responsibilities for this position. So you please go through it once. So for more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can browse in the official website link provided here, and you can also send your resume to the provided email ID if you are interested. So the email ID is hr@iihm or bangalore.edu.in. Next, there is a job opening for PA2 Director from Institute of Health Management Research, Electronic City, Bangalore, Karnataka. So they are going to offer a salary range between 18,000 to 22,000 rupees per month for this position. So coming to job description, represent director's office and ensure smooth functioning of the office, support the director in overall administration of the institute, manage director's schedule and coordinate arrangements for tours, internal and external meetings, conferences, etc. Effectively manage internal and external communication with various stakeholders from director's office, maintain central repository of documents, reports, files, data, and any other information as can be defined under institutional intellectual property, prepare agenda, program schedule, minutes, and make arrangements for committee meetings and governing board meetings and other meetings. So coordinate with faculty members, staff, students, visitors, guests, and various stakeholders. Plan and implement hospitality arrangements for guests visiting institute for meetings and events and any other activities. So any other talks as assigned by the director. So these are the roles and responsibilities you need to follow for this position. So interested candidates, you can browse in the official website link provided for here for more detailed information, or else you can if you are interested to apply for this position, so you can send your resume to the provided email id, that is hr@iihmrbangalore.edu.in. Next, there is a job opening for technical assistant cum electrician position for Institute of Health Management Research. It is located in Electronic City, Bangalore, Karnataka. So they are going to offer a salary range between 12,000 to 15,000 rupees per month for this position. So they are looking for ITI candidates for this position. So to check and operate all the classroom technical instruments, and you need to provide technical assistant with equipment operation to check and repair all the electrical issues and equipment at the campus, and day-to-day electrical issues. So these are the roles and responsibilities. You please go through it once. And for more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can browse in the official website link provided here, where you'll get a more other further details about this job position. So if you are interested to apply for this position, so you can send your resume to the provided email id, that is hr@iihmrbangalore.edu.in. So that's it in this video, guys. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.